Shalom, my name is Ignacio Díaz. I'm physiotherapist and osteopath. I'm lecturer at the Madrid School of Osteopathy and I'm the chairman of the Spanish Register for Physiotherapists Osteopath. It's a pleasure for me to introduce you this course I'll be teaching on March in Israel. It's called the Osteopathic Approach of the Lumbo-pélvic Disorders. In this course, the student will learn all the tools for treating the disorders of this area with the osteopathic perspective. So we'll have a review of the anatomy and the biomechanics, complete knowledge of the pathophysiology of this area, and we'll learn a lot of techniques for treating these disorders, such as thrust techniques and soft tissues techniques, and of course with a wide scientific background. So hope to see you there.